Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2017 Volvo XC90 all-wheel drive. This is the T-6 Inscription version. Now you might notice some droplets of water on the vehicle. We've had a light rain. I've been trying to get out here to video the car, and we have a break of sunshine, so we're doing it now before it starts raining again. Thing's black with a gorgeous tan interior. This vehicle has multiple upgraded packages on it. It's got that panoramic sunroof. It has the vision package with the 360 camera, the convenience package, and the upgraded Bowers and Wilkins premium sound. Full leather interior, seating for 7. Go ahead and take a look here. Backup camera and the 360 view. Nice. 56,925 miles. Phone number is 805-507-2244. That's 805-507-2244. Give us a call at Buy Your Ride.